Hey there, DIY lovers and creative souls. Welcome back to the channel where we take everyday items and turn them into something extraordinary. I'm so excited about today's video because we're talking about a common household item that we all have sitting around, used candle jars. You know the feeling. You finish burning that gorgeous candle, the scent has faded, and you're left with a beautiful jar. But then comes the dilemma. Do I throw this out or keep it hoping I'll use it someday? Well, today is that someday, because I'm going to show you clever, functional, and beautiful ways to upcycle old candle jars. From storage solutions to stylish decor, mini terrariums to gift packaging, you'll never toss out a candle jar again after watching this. Grab your empty jars and let's jump into 15 creative, step-by-step upcycling ideas you absolutely can't miss. Before we get to the fun stuff, let's prep. Place the jar in the freezer for a few hours. The wax shrinks and becomes easy to pop out. Use a butter knife to gently chip it out. Fill the jar with boiling water. The wax will float to the top as it melts. Let it cool, scoop off wax, and discard. Most are metal and can be pried off with pliers or a butter knife. Use dish soap and warm water to remove leftover residue. For labels, use Goo Gone or a mix of baking soda and oil to scrub them off. Now your jar is fresh, clean, and ready to transform. Perfect for cotton balls, Q-tips, makeup sponges. Paint or spray paint the lid for a chic look. Label with waterproof vinyl decals or chalkboard tags. Match your jars with your bathroom's color palette for that spa-like aesthetic. What you'll need: potting soil, herb seeds or seedlings, pebbles for drainage. Add pebbles to the bottom. Fill with soil and plant herbs. Place on a windowsill with sunlight. Great for parsley, basil, or mint. Great for pudding, parfait, tiramisu. Clean and sanitize jars thoroughly. Layer desserts directly in the jar. Tie a wooden spoon to the jar with twine for a perfect gift. These make awesome party favors. Turn into spa in a jar, hot cocoa mix jars, cookie mix gifts. Layer ingredients or items beautifully. Decorate the lid with fabric or ribbon. Add a handwritten tag for a personal touch. Add decorative stones or coffee beans inside the jar. Stick your makeup brushes upright. Optional: paint the jar or add a glitter base. Items to include: needles, thread, buttons, small scissors. Fill jar with mini sewing essentials. Turn the lid into a pin cushion using fabric, stuffing, and hot glue. How to make melt leftover candle wax or use wax chips. Add a new wick, secured with hot glue. Pour melted wax into the clean jar and let set. Supplies: jute rope, hot glue gun, battery tea lights. Wrap the jar with jute rope or macrame twine. Place a tea light inside. Hang or display on a shelf. Use for dish sponges, baking soda scrub, dishwasher tabs. Label with waterproof markers or decals. Paint the jar base with glass-safe paint. Artists can use: one jar for clean water, one for rinsing brushes. Attach a brush holder to the rim. Label the jars with fun, artistic stickers. Organize rings, bracelets, earrings. Use velvet lining inside. Add a decorative knob to the lid. Store: paper clips, push pins, rubber bands. Use multiple jars for a matching set. Paint in muted tones or clear chalkboard paint for labels. Fill with M&Ms, trail mix, mints. Label with emergency chocolate or midnight snacks. Mod the lid. Cut a round hole in the lid to pull cotton pads from. Stack pads vertically. Add dried flowers, essential oils, wood chips. Optional: drill tiny holes in the lid to release fragrance slowly. Can you believe all these incredible things came from simple old candle jars? Who knew that what usually ends up in the trash could become such practical, beautiful, and even gift-worthy items? Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments which idea was your favorite, or share how you've upcycled your own candle jars. I love seeing your creativity. And if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a fun and budget-friendly DIY. Until next time, don't just recycle, reimagine. Happy crafting!